Dear friends, we are solving problems from exercise 3.2 and third question is the weights which is given in kg of 15 students of a class are 38, 42, 35, 37, 45, 50, 32, 43, 43, 40, 36, 38, 43, 38 and 47. We are given the weights in kgs of 15 students and we are asked find the mode and median of this data. Is there more than one mode? Let us check solution. Now please note here we are given the information or the data is given in an inorganized way, means it is not properly arranged. So let us write the information given in ascending order. So ascending order of the data is ascending order of the data is lowest number among this is all are above 30, so lowest among this is 32. So lowest among it is 32. Then 33 is not there, 34 not there, 35 only once, 35. Then comes 36 is also once, 36. Then comes 37 only once, 37. Then comes 38 is two times, 3 times, 38 is 3 times, so 38 is repeated 3 times, that is 3 students are having same 38 kg weight. Then comes 39 is not there, all are above 40. So next is 40. Then comes 41 is not there, so 42 will be the next number. Then next comes 43. 43 is 1, 2 and 3 times. So 43 is repeated 3 times. Then comes 45. Next is 47. And lastly it is 50. So let us check whether we are written all information or not. One, we are given the weight of 15 students. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It means we have written all the information. Now question asked to us is find the mode. Mode means more frequent number or which is repeated maximum times. So here more frequent number is more frequent number or the number that is repeated maximum times. More frequent number here 38 is repeated 3 times and 43 is also repeated 3 times. It means two modes exist. So mode is equal to 38 and 43. So two modes are existing for the given information. Now next question asked to us is find the median of this data. Median means middle observation. Median is equal to middle observation if arranged in ascending order. So this is what is the ascending order of the data, and middle observation is equal to number of observation 15 plus 1 upon 2, that is equal to 16 upon 2 means 8th observation. 8th observation. 8th observation is in ascending order. Let us check. 8th is, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is the 8th number of observations. So 8th observation is equal to 40. Please note, this is the middle observation. You can check from this side it is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From that side also it must be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means 40 is the median. So we will ask find the mode and median of this data. Hence 38 and 43 are the mode and 40 is the median of the given data. Thus 38 and 43 are the modes of the given data and 40 is the median. Now one more question is asked. Is there more than one mode? So here two modes are there. It means second answer is there are two modes for the given data. Therefore there are, this is second answer. This was first answer. There are two modes for given data. for given data. Next, fourth question is find the mode and median of this data. So we are given some data and we are asked to find mode and median, and data is 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13, 14. Please note, this is not properly organized. So let us organize the data first. Before solving, we need to organize the data. So ascending order of the information is ascending order of the data is. So lowest among this is 12, which is repeated 2 times. Then comes 13. 13 is also repeated 2 times. Then comes 14. 14 is repeated 1, 2, 3 times. Then next comes 16. And lastly 19. Let us check whether we are written all data or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have written all data. Now mode means the number which is repeated maximum times. So mode is equal to more frequent number. More frequent number. Here if you observe, 12 is repeated 2 times, 13 is repeated 2 times, 14 is repeated 3 times, means 14 is repeated maximum times. So 14 is more frequent number, hence mode is 14. Then next we are asked to find median. Median is equal to central value or middle reading. Now there are total 9 readings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th will be the middle reading. 4 from this side, 4 from that side. Middle reading will be 14, hence it is 14. So mode is 14 and median is also 14. Next question in exercise 3.5, 3.2, fifth question. Tell whether the statement is true or false. And in that first is the mode is always one of the numbers in data. So if you arrange the data, maximum repeated number will be always the number from the data. Hence this statement is always true. Always true. Then next is the mean is one of the numbers in a data. So we have solved problem and you will notice that mean is sometimes mean could be, but it is not always. Hence the mean is one of the numbers in a data is false. It will not be always the same case. The median is always one of the numbers in the data. The median is always one of the numbers in data. Now this is true if the number of data is odd. So it is true if number of data is odd. So if there are 3 data, then middle reading will be a number of the number in a data, but it will be false if number of data is even. So it means if you are given a data 3, 4, 3, 4, if you arrange this in this ascending order, please note these are even 1, 2, 3, 4 number of data are given to us. If we take the median of this, you will get 3, 3, 4, 4. Please note median means middle observation, and middle observation is the space between this side to that side too, and in this case it will not be the number in a data itself. So it will be mean of the middle 2 observations. Next is the data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 39 has mean 9. Let us check. 6 plus 4 mean is equal to sum of data. Mean is equal to sum of data upon sum of observations upon number of observations upon number of observations. So that is equal to 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 12 plus 13 plus 9. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by number of observation is 8. Let us do the addition of this. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. 21 plus 9, 30, 42, 55, 64 upon 8. So this is equal to 8, 8 is 64. It means mean is 8. We were given the data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 39 as mean 9 is wrong. Hence it is, the given statement is false.